keep my eyes open to force reality. Oh no.
So you dragged me way across town to see what?
Just in time, ese. Take a good hard look over there.
Shit, Smoke? Crash making you sell us out? Moms!
Sorry, ese. I heard a rumor and poked around. I didn't believe it myself, but...
Nah, you did the right thing. I owe you, C's. I gotta go tell Sweet about... Oh, fuck! Sweet! Look. What? Shit!
You got a bag over your head, boy. How you feel about that?
Man, take it off. Please, man. I can't breathe, please.
Oh, all right. But only because you said please.
You fucking sick motherfucker.
Can I take your order, please?
Carl, what do you want? You gotta eat to keep your strength up, man.
Hey, I'll take a number 9, fat boy.
Give me a number 9, just like his. Let me get a number 6 with extra dip.
I'll have 2 number 9s, a number 9 large, a number 6.
Someone call security.
You ain't getting away with this.
Get in the car, quick.
Come on, dude. What's all that about?
Down in flame. Down in flame. Attack. The best stakeout I ever done.
I got stuck. Oh, they hit a bus. What'd I tell you?
Hey, I got unfinished business. Big love.
Man, what the fuck are you talking about?
Don't make me explain to her why you owe me so much money.
What?
Watch it!
Hey, what's going on? Homie, you ice cold, baby.
Hey, Holmes, I've been busy.
Now, things have developed since the last time we met. Despite our best efforts, the gig's nearly up.
I'm sure you'll find some way to keep your badge. Your kind always do.
You still don't get it, do you, Carl? This ain't about keeping some fucking badge!
Hey! Who shot at me? What you kids want?
Hey! Pops, hey, what's happening?
Aren't you Beverly Johnson's boy?
That's right.
Brent, say, ain't you dead?
No, Emmett, the other one, Carl.
I'm sorry.
Is that a guy in the water?
Now, Sweet, let go. We need some reels.
That's it, DJ. Keep icing those grifas.
Oh, shit!
Oh, shit.
Here we go again.
Taking this parole.
Bike in the road, watch out!
We gotta do something. Hey, I thought we was friends.
If you read the book, that's the way of the baby world.
Back to my apartment.
Man, Grove Street families used to be tight, man.
Here's your fair share. Hurry up, CJ.
Car,
Hey, you, stop!
Yes,
car.
I'm just trying it on.
Take some lessons.
And bring a nice car, Holmes. I'll tune it up for you.
Car. We need a car.
Because I did it in the joint, it's
Car.
nah.
Sick car.
Hold up, CJ.
Go.
Who?
Asshole.
Yo, Carl, see you around.
Fuck they doing over here anyway? Punk ass police.
Those nosy motherfuckers won't leave me alone. Think I'm Mr. Fuck or something. But I don't tell them shit. For me, it's all about my fuckboy Carl. Hey, excuse me, Jose. Yo soy el grando smokio. And I want that grass, comprende?
Hey, fuck you, cabron.
What?
Now that ain't nice. Coffee-o up El Guido before I blow your brains out all over the patio.
Chinga tu madre, pendejo.
Man, let me get the heat
Fuck
on
this, man.
Fuck this. Get him smoke.
Yeah, you go get that shit now. Get what you talk about. Yeah, motherfucker, Big Smoke. Remember that name.
Give it a rest, man.
Got squats, huh? Yeah, it's all good, huh? Hey, you want a fair one, huh? Show me, you whore. Ooh.
Oh, yes,
Hey, it is terrible. That shit always have to happen. You should have stayed at home. I'm gonna get the bastard on my own. Firm target.
Thanks for watching. I'll leave the download link of the song and the mod in the description. If you want to know how to install the randomizer mod, there is also tutorials on YouTube. So, you know, there's so much more people that's better at doing tutorial than I am. I'm pretty bad. Subscribe, like the video, stick around. This video is more like a test for me. I really don't do these kinds of like funny gaming videos, like hilarious moments, but I hope they're funny, I hope it entertain you, so yeah, see ya.